My name is Jessica Crow, but I go by Jess, and this is a picture of my best friend and I am the brunette on the left. I am from upstate New York, from a city called Rochester, and I am a journalism major with a focus in criminology. I am currently a sophomore, meaning I will graduate in 2023. And some hobbies I have include running, writing, spending time with the people I care about, and binge watching Netflix shows. When I hear the term culture, I think about the way in which someone lives based on how they behave, what they wear, what they eat, maybe their religion, things like that. And what I think would be included in intercultural communication is either people from different cultures coming together and learning and respecting each culture, or people who are made up of from more than one culture, meaning they could be Italian and German and celebrate both of those cultures. A intercultural moment from my life that I've enjoyed is my boyfriend. He's half Persian and half Kenyan, and so he has different cultures in his family, and they always have great food that I would never normally eat, and also they speak a different language, and they also follow a different religion. So whenever I'm around his family, it's just a new culture than what I have at home. I come from a big Italian family, so I'm looking forward to this class and meeting all of you. And yeah,